What if your next unforgettable adventure was waiting just a few blocks away? Downtown Miami is a thriving mosaic of culture, luxury, history, and innovation, where every corner holds a new discovery and every moment pulses with energy. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this dynamic district invites you to explore its vibrant soul. Downtown Miami is more than a city center, it is the beating heart of South Florida's cosmopolitan spirit. From world-renowned art institutions and scenic waterfront parks to towering skyscrapers and luxury boutiques, the area offers something for every type of traveler. Here, Latin flair blends seamlessly with global sophistication, creating an atmosphere that is both welcoming and exhilarating. Begin your exploration at Bayfront Park, a peaceful green oasis set against the dramatic backdrop of Biscayne Bay. Whether you're relaxing on the lawns, enjoying a morning jog, or catching a live concert at the amphitheater, the park sets the perfect tone for your journey. Just a short walk away lies Bayside Marketplace, a vibrant open-air shopping and entertainment hub filled with local flavor, live music, and picturesque boat tours that offer panoramic views of Miami's shimmering skyline. Art lovers will find inspiration at the Paris Art Museum Miami, a modern architectural marvel that showcases contemporary international art. For a dive into history, the Freedom Tower stands as a powerful symbol of immigration and resilience. With its Mediterranean Revival design, it is a reminder of the city's deep cultural roots and its ever-evolving identity. Downtown is also a culinary haven. From rooftop fine dining with skyline views to hidden gems serving authentic Latin American cuisine, each meal becomes a journey of its own. And if you're in search of nightlife, the options are endless: sophisticated lounges, electrifying clubs, and craft cocktail bars that keep the city alive long after the sun sets. Staying in downtown Miami puts you at the center of it all. Many luxury hotels and high-end residences offer not just a place to rest, but a front-row seat to the city's most iconic experiences. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the bay and ending your day with a rooftop swim beneath the stars. Downtown Miami isn't just a place you visit. It's a place you feel, live, and remember. So why wait to immerse yourself in the pulse of one of America's most exciting urban destinations? What hidden gem or unforgettable experience would you add to your downtown Miami bucket list?